If you're someone who loves to stay active, you might have heard of WeWard, a walking rewards app that promises to turn your steps into cash. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another gimmick? WeWard is designed to motivate users to walk more by rewarding them with points for each step they take. These points can then be redeemed for various rewards, including gift cards and discounts. The app tracks your daily steps using GPS, making it easy to monitor your progress. At first glance, the interface seems user-friendly, with a clean layout that displays your steps, rewards, and ongoing challenges. One interesting feature is the community aspect, where users can connect and share their achievements, which adds a social element to your walking routine. However, some users might find the reward system a bit lacking. The selection of prizes can feel limited, and it's unclear how often new rewards are added. Plus, the app occasionally struggles with syncing, which can be frustrating if you're trying to keep track of your activity accurately. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the upside, WeWard does a great job of encouraging physical activity, and the point system can be a fun way to gamify your daily walks. The community features foster motivation and accountability, which can be a huge plus for fitness enthusiasts. On the downside, the rewards might not be as enticing as you'd hope. Many users report that the selection is underwhelming, with limited options for redeeming points. Additionally, some have expressed concerns about the app's reliability, mentioning that it can occasionally miscount steps or lag in sync with devices. For casual walkers or those looking for extra motivation to get moving, WeWard could be beneficial. However, if you're someone who walks a lot and expects significant rewards, you might end up feeling a bit disappointed. So, should you give WeWard a try? If you're looking for a fun way to stay motivated and enjoy walking, it might be worth it. But if you're expecting substantial rewards or flawless performance, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it has its merits, but it's not without its flaws.